The first images from Haiti are confirming the world's worst fears.
The strongest earthquake to hit the country in over 200 years.
Destroying a hospital and trapping people
the
inside.
7.0 magnitude and the presidential palace.
1 year ago, disaster struck. 1 year later, tough questions remain. Hundreds of orphans now have a home. Hundreds more will. Thousands are receiving medical care, food, clean water, and job training. Our school ranked #1 in its district. And with new partnerships, we'll get even more done. Three Angels is rebuilding better than before. For the last 7 years, our mission in Haiti has been simple. Help the whole child, the whole family, the whole community, one at a time. Because she doesn't count meals by the million, she's grateful one at a time. He doesn't read books by the thousands, he learns to read one story at a time. And he's not waiting for hundreds of families. He just needs one. So can we make a difference? Because big change happens one small step at a time. We're committed. Are you? Become a monthly sponsor now. Visit 3angelshaiti.org.